Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to all of you joining us for today's exciting webinar on engineering and technology programs. On the behalf of Ireland Education Office, it's a pleasure to have you with us. Thank you for connecting and exploring the endless opportunities Ireland has to offer for your academic journey. For those of you unfamiliar with the Ireland Education Office, we are your trusted resource for navigating Ireland's world-class education system. Our goal is to connect aspiring students with Ireland's globally renowned institutions, providing guidance, supports, and clarity every step of the way. To learn more about us and the opportunities we provide, visit our official website at educationireland.net. Ireland is not just a country of breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, it's also an innovation hub of higher education and research. Universities like University College Dublin and Technological University Dublin are at the forefront of this excellence, offering cutting-edge programs that prepare students for the challenges of tomorrow. Today, we are privileged to host an expert panel of speakers who will share insights about studying in Ireland, the programs available, and the unique advantages of pursuing engineering and technology studies in this thriving academic environment. We have Katie.oneill, Senior Marketing Manager at University College Dublin, will provide a comprehensive overview of University College Dublin programs and opportunities for international students. And the other one, Shahd Abada, Recruiting and Admission Officer at UCD, will guide you through the application process and the incredible support network available to students. And we have Dr. Muhammad Arshad, lecturer and R&D scientist at TU Dublin, will give us a glimpse into Ireland's innovation-driven research and its impact on the real world. This webinar is an invaluable opportunity to learn, ask questions, and explore how Ireland can shape your academic and professional future. So let's get started by welcoming our first speaker, Katie.oneill. Over to you, Katie, please.
Thank you very much. Just while I am sharing my presentation here, I'm just trying to pop it into presentation mode. Just bear with me one moment.
Yes, perfect.
Now, thank you very much for the warm welcome, and I'm absolutely delighted to be here today. This is a wonderful opportunity to speak with, hopefully, future students that will come our way. So the purpose of my talk today is really to outline what's on offer for international students who are considering studying abroad, and specifically engineering. Before I get into the course detail, just to let you know, UCD, its long name is University College Dublin, but it's shortened to UCD. We're based in Ireland's capital city in Dublin. This is a very lively, very cosmopolitan, and a very friendly and international city, and it's served by a very large international airport. So there's many European capitals that are just a short flight away, which often our international students will avail of over on a weekend. They can pop to Paris, to Milan, over to London. So it's a very central location that really allows students to explore and expand their horizons. It's a very accessible city. We are 2 hours from big cities in Ireland like Cork, Galway, Limerick, and Belfast. Everything is quite compact and walkable. The population of Ireland is just under 5 million. So it's quite, even though it punches very high, it's quite a small country in itself, making it really easy to navigate. Also, from our perspective, UCD itself, the campus is located just 7 kilometres into Dublin city centre. So really that translates into about a 20-minute bus ride. And we have a bus terminus also based on campus. So what our students, particularly our international students, enjoy is the ease of getting around on public transport, on bikes, walking, and so on and so forth. We have from UCD, you can be in the mountains within 20 minutes, or you could be taking a swim in the sea in about 10 minutes, because we are a coastal city. We are very proud of the fact that we are the largest urban campus in Europe. We have 133 hectares of land, of which our students enjoy. This image here is taken, you can see the building in the background. That's actually the main engineering building. So that's where a lot of our research, all of our students, the labs are all taking place in terms of the engineering space. Also right in front where you can see students having their lunch, that is one of 3 lakes that our students enjoy, as well as about 8 kilometres of woodland walks. So my point being, for international students who come to UCD, everything you could possibly want is on campus, from a cinema to restaurants to cafes, to cutting edge technology labs that are available for our engineering students. So today I'm talking to you from the perspective of the College of Engineering and Architecture with a focus on engineering. And just so you understand where we sit within the Irish market, for our school leavers, we are the #1 choice for Irish students who are finishing their schooling, looking to study engineering. And that's something we take great pride in. Within our college, we have 6 schools. 5 of those look after all the areas of engineering, and 1 is looking after architecture, planning, and environment policy. We have 4 undergraduate offerings, and I'll get into detail on the engineering side in a moment. But in addition to that, we offer over 30 taught master's programs, which also gives students the opportunity to progress with us should they want to go on to level 9 and do a master's and really specialize into their area of engineering. But it also gives international students who've done their bachelor's elsewhere the opportunity to come and do their master's with us. And a huge amount of international students avail of that. Because you couldn't be with us today, I thought it would be a good idea to play a short video for you, just to give you the experience of what it's like to study in UCD in engineering. So this is a short video which was taken around the engineering building. That's the building that we were looking at in the previous photo, which is right in front of the lake. And this just gives you a vibe of the labs, the lectures, and just the movement around the building. So I hope you enjoy this.
Thank you so much, Katie, for your insights and valuable information. So if you want to add something, we can give you another time slot. So let's...
Sorry, Danish, I wasn't finished. Was the video not playing? Was the video not playing?
It's good. You can continue, please.
Thank you.
Thank you. To continue, please? Are you trying to share something?
Sorry, is the video not playing?
No. Let me check. Yeah.
Shahad, was it playing?
Yeah, it's playing. We are hearing.
Okay, can I keep going? Is that okay?
Yes, you can continue, because we can see.
So hopefully that has given you a flavour of being around the campus. You can see it's very vibrant. You can see that the teaching takes place in many different ways, through labs, through lectures, through tutorials, through group work, particularly with engineering at either an undergraduate or a taught graduate level. It's a very practical subject. It's very hands-on. So while, of course, you're going to learn in the lectures and the more traditional ways, UCD are going to expect you to take that knowledge and that theory that you are learning in your lectures and apply it in a practical sense, because that's when you really understand what you're learning, by taking what you're learning in the lecture theatre and applying it into the labs or into a project sense. I want to talk to you about what the pathway might look like in engineering. So if you're a school leaver and you're looking to join the engineering program, you come in first year. And within that first year, you're doing what we call general engineering. So you're not deciding at the age of 18 whether you want to be a chemical engineer straight away. First year is going to give the opportunity to really explore so many different disciplines in engineering, whether it's chemical, biomedical, electronic and computer, and so on and so forth. It'll only be at the end of first year that we're going to ask you to choose your discipline. And UCD offers the widest range of choices. We offer 7 pathways, and you can see them all listed there. So you will choose your pathway for year 2 and year 3. Also in year 3, you have the opportunity for a study abroad or an exchange. So you can take a trimester abroad or you can take a year abroad. So the opportunity, you don't have to take it, but it is available for you. At the end of year 3, we are going to ask you to make your second choice. And that's whether you would like to do 1 more year, which is going to be 4 years in total, and you can graduate with your Bachelor's of Engineering, or you can do 2 more years, which is going to be 5 years in total, which means you graduate with your Bachelor's and your Master's. In first year, we take in about 350 students. And of those 350, 75% progress on to their Masters. And the reason they do that is that they recognise for 1 extra year, they're getting their Masters, but also inbuilt into the 5-year pathway, in 4th year, you have the opportunity to undertake work experience. So for 6 to 8 months, as part of the programme carrying 30 credits, you will go work in a company. We will support you in that process. We have 2 dedicated internship managers, and we will help place you. So the type of company that you're going to be working in is going to be very relevant to the degree outcome you want. So for example, if it's chemical engineering, it'll be a company relevant to that. If it's mechanical, it'll be relevant to that. Additionally, if you have done your undergraduate elsewhere, say abroad, and you want to do your Masters with us, you can come in and do a 2-year Masters and still avail of that internship opportunity. What's very important to note is that UCD engineering degrees are accredited by Engineers Ireland, which is part of the Washington Accord, which has about 29 signatories on it. And what that means is international recognition for your degree, just giving you that level of portability. I have mentioned this internship module, and just to reiterate, it is available both at an undergraduate and a talk graduate level. And the types of companies we're working with, for example, are APC, Deloitte, PUI, Energia, Glanbia, Pfizer, Arup, Medtronic. I'm sure there are brand names in there and company names in there that you recognise, and we work with over 100 different companies in that regard. Although UCD cannot guarantee it, I can tell you that 95% of our internships are paid, and they're paid very well. And last year, 70% of our students who went on an internship had a job offer from the same company. So what it's really doing is setting up our students for success for their future careers. I've already walked you through the pathway for the undergraduate side. So I'd like to take a brief moment to have a look at the choice of taught masters. So if there are students who've done their undergraduate elsewhere and want to experience a different pedagogy, international study, they can come to UCD and do their masters. And what you'll note is when we get into the master's area, the area that you can drill into in terms of your engineering is quite extensive. So you can stay broad and do a master's in mechanical engineering, or you could get quite specific and go into robotics and intelligent manufacturing, for example, or energy systems or biopharmaceutical. A number of these programs are available in a 1-year 90 credit program or a 2-year 120 credits. The biggest difference between the 1-year and the 2-year is the embedded internship in the 2-year. I thought it would be quite useful to hear from some of our students to see what they had to say. So I've got a couple of testimonials. So Mashari, for me, what stands out, he was our graduate in 2018. He did the 1-year engineering management, and he stated that this program had a transformative impact on his career. And the aspects he enjoyed most about the programme were the diverse cohort of students and the collaborative environment that UCD offered him. He said that the faculty, with their experience, played a significant role in helping him understand how to apply the academic learning in the workplace, and that he would highly recommend this master's to UCD for anyone looking to study in this area. Mohammed, who came in at our undergraduate level, and he studied electrical engineering, and he said that the programme had been instrumental in shaping his career, helping him transition into key roles, and now he leads a strategic initiative within a globally recognised energy company. He felt that UCD, with the diversity of thought and collaborative fostered within this programme, really benefited him. He said he'd highly recommend this programme to prospective students because UCD provides a unique platform to explore innovative ideas, network with industry leaders, and cultivate the skills necessary to thrive in a competitive global environment. And our third and final student, Mert, really valued the variety of material and software that was offered by each module. He felt it really enhanced his learning, and he benefited from academics who are experts in their field. Very importantly, he also felt as an international student that UCD is an excellent university and he could enjoy the vibrant social life and the beautiful country, and he would have no hesitation in recommending UCD as a destination for an international student. It's very important to have a quick look at the career spotlight because students are investing their time and their money and their energy in studying abroad. They want to know that it's going to pay dividends in terms of their future careers. So UCD itself is ranked number 126 in the world by QS rankings, so you know you're coming to a top university. We also have a proven track record in terms of employment for our students. So within 6 months of graduation, 95% of our students are employed or in further study themselves. They are excellent statistics. And just to give you a quick understanding of where we're based, so UCD is based down here, as I mentioned, very near the sea. And then a number of the top companies for which our engineering students would be seeking employment and employed in are based just around 5 kilometres away. And you can see them dotted around here. This is right on the River Liffey, so city centre, Dublin. It's also been noted by the HEA report that the average earnings for those with UCD undergraduate and graduate qualifications are the highest across all universities in Ireland. And here's just a quick sample of the types of companies that are employing our engineering students. You'll see the not only are the names varied, but the industries are varied. So for me, a few key takeaway points why UCD should be considered. We're number 1 in Ireland for sustainability. As I mentioned, we have great employment records. We have a very supportive careers network, so we will really support our students in securing their first job. Our academics are incredibly well connected. We have top professors at the moment in engineering. Actually, 4 of the top professors are in the top 1% QS. And again, application ease. I'm joined here by a colleague. We have a support network across the globe. So we have a college point of contact, and of course, we have scholarships available as well. So I hope that that's given you a broad overview of why UCD and studying engineering offers wonderful opportunities for your future career. And I'll be happy to stay on for any future questions. And I'll just stop sharing there if that's okay.
So
thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your detailed information and insights. So moving towards our next speaker, Dr. Mohammed Arshad, please over to you, and please address our attendees for the opportunities available in engineering and other sectors in Ireland, and specifically at TU Dublin available programs. Thank you, please. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Danish, and thank you, Katie. Very good information regarding about Ireland, regarding about the Dublin, and regarding about UCD. And I'm very thankful for Farid. You invited me to join for this webinar. So now I'm going to share my screen and start the presentation to know about for what we are offering and where we are stand in the education sector. I think everybody can see my presentation, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Welcome to the TU Dublin. TU Dublin is a technological university Dublin. We are based in the Dublin city, and we have 3 campuses. One is in the city center. This is a Grange Gorman. The second one is Blanchestown. This is the outskirt of Dublin, but people are saying this is also a Dublin part. And Tala, this is the third campus, which is also situated in the Dublin outskirt. Um, Today I'm focusing on the for master degree in TU Dublin, and I'm presenting here for the Faculty of Engineering and Faculty of Engineering and Built Environment, and the rest of the faculties is offering from the different peoples in the different webinars, because this webinar is for the engineering and um, architecture. So I want to focus on the only for the one master degrees in offering in the field of in the faculty of engineering and the built environment. So TUW is a top source of information and communication technology, and graduates in Ireland and lecturers on our master degree program are carrying on advanced research in the field of expertise like cybersecurity and data sciences and artificial intelligence and software development and mathematics. And we have one campus in the computer science department in the city center. They are offering a number of programs in the field of the computer science. Technological University Dublin is the first university in the island which is based on for the technological side, and that is a top 4% of the university worldwide, top 250 young university worldwide, and time as per Times Higher Education ranking. At the moment, our student capacity is 29,000 students in the different campuses with the different faculties like Blanchestown, like Tala, and Grange Gorman or city campus. And we have a number of nationalities are studying there. Some of the based upon from the Asian side, some of the based upon from the Africa side. And so as per admission office, they mentioned for the more than 138 nationalities. And I have seen a number of European candidates is also coming to study in our university as well. We have a 3,500 staff, and we have 3 campuses, as I mentioned earlier. Here is the snapshot of the Grange Gorman campus and Tala campus and the Blanchestown campus. I'm personally Blanchestown campus because the School of Informatics and Cybersecurity is situated in the Blanchestown campus. This is the TU Dublin at glance. We have 3 campuses, 30,000 plus students, 8,000 part-time students, and we have another opportunity for the part-time student as well, but they are belonging from the European Unions and from the Irish students, not from the international student. International students mostly can be enrolled in the full-time master program. So we have a 7,000 meters square of incubation space, 100 plus startups. So you can review it about for the what we have a capacity in our TU Dublin. We have at the moment more than 8,000 plus graduates per year is passing because we have 3 semesters, fall, winter, and summer semester, and some of the students are belonging from the part-time students, some of the students during for the full-time students. So we calculated about the per year more than 8,000 students are passing in a different faculty, not only for the one faculties. And 26% of the undergraduate new entrants via access routes, like after completion from the higher schools, then students can enroll in an undergraduate program. And 1,000 plus academic collaboration, 800 plus collaboration with industries, 1,000 plus, sorry, 1,000 plus students working with community organization. As Katie already mentioned, Ireland is based upon the most of the IT industries in the Dublin sector. So we have a good opportunity after the completion of master's students can get a job very easily in these companies. And most of the head offices, regional head offices are based on the Ireland in Dublin city. This is just like a picture of our international students, and the faculty members also belong from the different communities, and different faculties are working. As already mentioned, Katie, during where is the island location, but I want to be clarify about the map view of the island where it is situated. You can see it is near about the United Kingdom. As Katie mentioned already, some of the you can access within the during the vacation, you can access from from the neighboring European countries very easily. London is very easy, near about for the first nearest biggest city. London is near about from the Ireland, Denmark, you can view it. You can go for Germany, France, and where. So the location of Ireland is basically is very good, and the weather is also very good if you comparing from the other European countries, because I had an experience of my United Kingdom, because I have completed master degree from United Kingdom in 2006. So if I'm comparing from the United Kingdom to Ireland, so I prefer the Ireland weather is much better than the United Kingdom. And I had experience for Canada as well. So Canada is more harsh than the other European countries. If you comparing within the European community, the Ireland weather is also much better than the other European communities, countries as well. So this is the I can say that this is a blessed country for the prospect of the weather as well. We have a number of in Ireland. We have a number of counties. So you can see it here. And the right hand side, this is the Dublin side, and this is the capital. Actually, Dublin is also a county, and Dublin is also a city, the capital city of Dublin County. So we have a near about I can show with, you can see it with my mouse cursor. So one of the campuses belong from here, Blanchardstown and Tala campus, and the one to city center campus is here. So two campuses are near about for that outskirts of the Dublin, and this is the whole map of the island for exploring from the different counties as well. As Katie mentioned, we are near about from the biggest city, so you can see it's a Galway is a very good city, and this is next to the Atlantic Ocean, and the Cork is also very near about for, so you can access from the different counties within maximum 3 hours. The road system is very good, and the traffic is very good. So this is the exploring from the, you can enjoy during the vacation. You can go for exploring from the different counties, hiking or some, because when you are studying, then you need to be some co-curricular activities during the vacation time. So for that prospects, Ireland is much have opportunity for the students to explore for the different counties as well. As I already mentioned, is a beautiful historic country with a thriving technology sector, over 900 information and communication technology, and sorry, and software company employ technological professional in Ireland. Multiple companies, as I already Katie mentioned, from like Airbnb, Apple, Facebook, Google. So a lot of opportunities are available for the postgraduate industry, postgraduate students to complete after the completion of their degree, and they can start working very easily for in these organizations or for these worldwide organizations. This is a Ireland is very historical countries as well, and during the November and December times, you can, I don't know about for that one, but after coming here, so there will be, as you can see, for the northern lights. This is a natural lights during the winter time. You can see it. For that prospect, you can explore for the natural beauty as well within the island during your studies as well. So this is also some little bit about the information about the Dublin. I already explained. I want to move forward about that, what we are offering and why we important for your study in Ireland, because most important thing for that one, you can study in English language. And um, I explored the most of the activities are performing in the English language as well. Uh, Besides English language, there will be some another language, Irish, but Irish is just only for the different purposes you can use it. But most of the activities, assignments, communication, teaching, all the academic activities study in English. An excellent industry recognized master qualification, as Katie already mentioned, the most of the degrees are already uh, recognized from the engineering council, so you will be in a safe hand when you completing for your degree. And permission to work in Ireland while studying 20 hours per week while studying, and 40 hours per week while on vacation. So that will be a much opportunity. You can bear your expenses very easily during the vacation and after the vacation. Normally within the semester, you can get the um, 2 to 3 weeks vacation during the semester time, and after the vacation, after the semester, you have also for the 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks vacation, so you can get opportunity to be work here, and you can bear your expenses, or you can expense your luxuries by the help of these activities. And permission to work in Ireland for up to 2 years post graduation. After completion your degree, the government is allowed to be stay here for the 2 years. If you will get your professional job in your field, then you can go for the immigration status as well. But this is will after the 2 years post graduation worker, you can get it after your studies. So this is the campus of view of the Grange Government campus for the engineering or sciences department. What we are offering our program in the faculty of engineering and built environment, we are offering from the applied science. This is on the city campus, Grange Government campus, that will be a 1.5 years, that means 1.5 year program. MSc in applied cybersecurity, Blanchardstown campus, 1 year, where I'm teaching in this department. And MSc in computing with DevOps, that will be offering in Tala, 1 year program. MSc in computer science, advanced software development, that will be also offering in the Grange Government campus. 1 and 1.5 years is the duration of that course. MSc in computer science, data science, that will be offering from the Grange Government campus, and 1 and 1.5 years. MSc in data analytics, and Grange Government campus offering for that program, that will be total duration of that program is 1 year. MSc in human-centered artificial intelligence, that will be offered in Atala, that will be 1 year program. Master qualifier program, Grange Government and online, 1 semester, that will be offering from the city center campus. But I think so that will be from the or other and international student, not from the South Asian countries. They can get the admission in the upper level courses of the MSc Applied Mathematics, Cybersecurity, Computing, Computer Science, and other data analytics also. So these are the program which we are offering in the Faculty of Engineering and Faculty of Engineering and Built Environment faculty. We would love to see you here, and it's a very good environment. I had a very good experience with the Irish people, with the Irish education system, and I started my career here since 2023, and a very good opportunity. Besides for this, I just explain about little about myself. I have completed my undergraduate degree from Pakistan in 2001. After that, I have completed postgraduate diploma from Canada, and I have completed my master's degree from Oxford Brookes University, United Kingdom, and I have get a privilege from the University Technology Petronas for fully funded scholarship to do completing a PhD. After that, I have served 13 years in Saudi Arabia, and finally I moved in Ireland. So in summary, this is a very good place for the new students. They can explore for their future work, they can explore for your future opportunities, and we have a much opportunities available, not only for the TU Dublin, a number of universities are offering from different programs, so you can explore yourself, and that is the best time to be. If you completed from your undergraduate degree with a good CGPA, this is the best time to be join us in different universities as well. I think so. It will be and enough from my side. So I hand over to Danishwari for rest of the things to be discussed. Thank you very much for everyone.
Thank you, Mohammed. Thank you so much for your time and your details and the really insightful session. Ladies and gentlemen, as we conclude this insightful webinar, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our incredible speakers, Katie, Abada, and Mohammed, for sharing their expertise and valuable perspectives. Your guidance has undoubtedly inspired our audience and provided a clear path for those considering Ireland as their study destination. To our audience, thank you for actively participating and making this session a success. We hope the information shared today has sparked your curiosity and given you confidence in pursuing your academic ambition in Ireland. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, please do not hesitate to contact Ireland Education Office. We are here to support you in every step of your journey. Visit our website, educationIreland.net for more details, resources, and upcoming events. Finally, Ireland is more than just a study destination. It's a place where dreams are nurtured, connections are built, and futures are shaped. We look forward to welcoming you for this vibrant academic community. Thank you once again and wish you all the best in your academic pursuit. Have a wonderful day. We tried our best to address your queries and questions. And if you have any question, you can ask me right now. Otherwise, it's good to go. And thank you, my respected panelists. Thank you so much for your time again.
Danish Farid, I have just one thing to be mentioned here
Okay.
from you as well, and from the other participant, if they need for any information regarding about for living environment and about for other aspects, because most of the internet, I had a very good experience from when I was studying in as an international student, so I can explain them for about the how they can manage for their academic activities with the other things. So I will be happy to be share for that information. Everybody can use for my email address, and I will be happy to answer for that question from your office as well, from the student of prospects as well.
Thank you, Mohammed. Sure, we are looking forward for these opportunities, and I will try my best to share the details according the relevant data as well. And especially thank for the Shahd Abada. She tried her best to answer all the queries during the KT presentations. So you guys did really well. Thank you again, and have a blessed day.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Katie. Thank you, Shahda. And thank you,
Thank
Danish
you
Farid.
all.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye-bye.